This case has divided Hong Kong. It was brought ahead by two Filipino domestic workers who have been here for more than 2 decades. Now, normally under immigration laws, any foreigners who come to Hong Kong more than 7 years can apply for permanent residency, except for domestic workers. Now, the lawyers for these two Filipino workers have said this is unconstitutional. They say they should be treated the same as any foreign workers coming in, whether they're bankers, professionals, or domestic helpers. Well, the final Court of Appeal doesn't agree because they say that under the contracts for these foreign domestic workers, it has stipulated in their contract that they must return to their country of origin, and that's why they cannot be considered as permanent residents. Well, this, at the heart of this case, has really been a question about resources. There are many fears that if domestic workers are allowed to become permanent residents, they would swarm the territory. Already, residents here feel they are squeezed for space. They're fighting for school spaces as well as hospital beds amongst themselves, but also with their mainland Chinese cousins. They say there's no room left for domestic workers to come into the competition. Well, Hong Kong has been known to have very good laws to protect its domestic workers comparatively in the region. It seems, according to the final Court of Appeal in their decision today, they're not really willing to extend that any further.